His attorney says a man accused of murdering his grandmother is not competent to stand trial.
Patrick Campbell was arrested in March after he allegedly beat and stabbed the victim in her New Smyrna Beach home, then stole her car. WESH 2's Claire Metz was at a hearing today where the judge ordered another mental health examination.
Patrick Campbell sat quietly in the courtroom today, made no comment at all. Different from previous outbursts after his arrest where he claimed to be a United States agent who carried out a sanctioned target. Campbell allegedly murdered his grandmother, Darlene Robertson, in her DeSoto Drive home, then disappeared in her car, turning himself into the FBI a day later.
Turns out that he has a long-standing diagnosis of schizophrenia.
Campbell's attorney, Assistant Public Defender Matt Phillips, says in the 2 months since the victim was found dead, he's learned a lot about his client, the accused, and says right now Campbell should not be allowed to stand trial on charges of first-degree murder. I had a psychologist go out and evaluate him, and he reached the opinion that Mr. Campbell's not competent to proceed to trial at this time because of his mental illness. Today, prosecutors asked to have their own doctor examine Campbell, and the judge granted that request, ordering it done at the jail next week.
This afternoon, I'm not deciding whether he's competent to proceed or not.
No, sir.
If the state psychologist agrees with the defense about Campbell's state of mind, he could be sent to a hospital, treated until he's deemed competent. Or, if there are conflicting diagnoses, a third doctor would likely be brought into the case. Competency has to be determined because the suspect should be able to help with his own defense. His attorney says Campbell is certainly not now able to do that. In Daytona Beach, Volusia County, Claire Metz, WESH 2 News.